Keep moving, keep moving. These bulls are looking incredibly healthy and calm today.
The intake on trough 4 is slightly low. Noted. Let's check the vitals on that group.
The scan looks clear on the lumbar region.
Good. Let's adjust the chute and check the shoulder next. Lungs clear, cardiac rhythm normal. Moving to the ultrasound, everything looks good. Finalizing the entry now.
All lines are operational.
The readings here confirm the highest quality.
Agreed. The system is running perfectly today.
The texture looks good on this batch. Agreed, the calibration is perfect.
We have a slight deviation on the height stretch.
Adjusting the parameters now. The next batch should be perfect. Looks perfect. Approved for finishing.
Row 4 is fully organized. Keep it steady, watch the bulkhead.
Make sure those are secure before the final pallet.
Yes, almost done here.